Meaning of inquorate.
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 Inquorate. The term inquorate refers to a situation where a meeting or session does not have enough members present to make valid decisions. In other words, the minimum number of attendees required for the meeting to proceed legally is not met. This can occur in various settings such as corporate board meetings, academic committees, and legal proceedings. When a meeting is deemed inquorate, it cannot pass any resolutions or make decisions that would have binding effects. It is therefore important to ensure that an adequate number of participants are present before commencing any formal meeting or session.